Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another sneaker mystery box today. This is a beater box from Soul Supremacy in the price of $1,625. So expensive box, $1,625. But before we open this, two quick things. If you guys aren't subscribed to the podcast channel, we actually just did like a sit down kind of interview style thing with Soul Supremacy, the owner, Derek, who is actually leaving Soul Supremacy, which is very, very big news. This is a company that you guys know I've been buying beater boxes from for like since the start of the channel, guys, like 4 or 5 years. So if you guys do want to check that out, I linked it in the description of this video, and it was also a link up here. Second thing that I do want to mention is I know some of you guys are asking what happened with that NFT mystery box, and my response is I don't know. Like, it's still kind of just sitting there pending. Apparently they pushed it back so that at the end of this month they're gonna reveal what's in this Nike mystery box NFT thing, and yeah, we're gonna find out if I spent a lot of money for nothing. But fingers crossed, I am hoping and praying that there is something good in there and maybe we'll make money on it. Anyway, let's get into the shoes now. $1,625. Let's see what we got. So this first pair is actually a pair of Kobe's that I have not seen in a minute now. I think these are the Kobe 9 What Does in like the high top version. You can see this. And this one is in a size 8.5 from 2014, dude. Definitely an iconic colorway, and obviously Kobe's, very cool shoes. I mean, for a white shoe, not too bad, guys. And the colorway, very, very sick. What the colorways always go for a good amount of money. So let's check out what the price of this one is. So Kobe 9 Elite Premium, What the Kobe, size 8.5 we said. Okay, new. It's going for 615 bucks. I don't think that's the price we're gonna sell it for. Wow, even on the used market though, 356, 395, and 451. On a size 9, they're going for like 270, 275. So I'm assuming that's closer to where we're gonna be able to sell it. It's like a little bit under 300 bucks. Up next, quite a few without boxes in here today. We got a pair of Yeezys over here. There's like a million Yeezy colorways. They all look the same. Citron, that's my guess for this one. This one is in a size 10, and also we have another worn shoe here. Yeezys all pretty much blend the same at this point. Bottoms, the boost doesn't look very worn either. Just a little bit of dirt on there, but it looks like there's a lot of life left in here. And this one is officially called the 3042. Hey, Citron non-reflective, I got it, that's pretty good. Size 10. Okay, well DS they're going for 280, so definitely we're not getting 280 for this. Used, the lowest used price, wow, 140 or 160. That's with a box. Interesting. Most Yeezys will still go for at least retail when they're used. The last shoe without a box over here. Another nice colorway, and this one is on a pair of Foamposites. I think that says 9? No, it says 8.5. 8.5. This is weird. It's kind of like stitched in on the inside, which is strange. There's like no actual tag. Looks like there's like lava rocks and stuff falling on this one. And I've said it many times before, one of the great things about Foamposites is this upper. You can put so many different colorways. You can put like actual art on the shoe. So that's why they're always unique. Foamposites, not loved by many, but I'm a fan. Bottoms over here, got a lot of pebbles on the shoe, so it has been worn. And yeah, this one should fetch a decent amount of money as well, just because Foamposites, they maintain good value because the base price is, I think, is like 200 bucks. So even at retail, it's still very expensive. This is not good. What the heck is this? Look at this. This dude's shoe, it's like he scraped off the uppers and now they're all white. Bad move, man, bad move. That's strange. But the lowest without a box on here is 149 or 165. So let's assume 150 is the market for this one. Next, we got this super huge Yeezy 500 box. Let's guess size 13. 12 and a half. It's a very strange size. And, oh, okay. This, I do not know what the colorway of this one is. Desert, dark brown. Again, all the Yeezy colorways, it's impossible to remember them all. Yeezy 500 though, very great shoe. I've talked about this one a lot. I used to wear this every single day when I was working a 9-to-5 job. Super comfortable. The materials on this actually go really hard. Colorway, I don't know if I like this colorway very much, but that's just me. I'm actually expecting at least 200 bucks on this. That would be my guess. 3606. Brown clay. It's a good name. Size 12 and a half is a unique size. So new, they're going for 270-ish. The only worn pair is going for 241. It looks like it's in similar condition to ours as well. The bid on this is 194, so we're getting at least 200 bucks from this. And I also like showing you guys like this price breakdown because you can kind of see my mindset of how I'm looking at prices and like what I'm calculating things at. All right, next up, we got this hopefully replacement box, orange Nike box, size 9 Nike Flyknit Racer. It's the light, so I'm assuming it is the Flyknit. Boom. Flyknit Racer, huh? And this one's called the Hyper Jade or like punch or something. I don't know, dude. Flyknit racers, these things used to be super popular at one point. Not really so much anymore, but as like an athlete shoe, still a good shoe. And this one actually gives off that like LeBron South Beach kind of look, you know, that bright blue and that pink. So maybe the colorway is popular on this, and the wear and tear is not bad at all. Flyknit racer, oof, okay, not too many on this. So for brand new, $265. Last sale, $320, no used. I don't know, dude. The used one on this one is going for $255. I'm gonna have to do a little bit more research on this. When there's not too much info like on other sizes and stuff, it's really hard to find a good price for these. So whatever it is, it'll be on untiedahawaii.com. This one, hopefully is a good one. We got this rainbow Nike SB box. Size 9.5, dunk low. Yo, okay, I'm actually pretty stoked. This might be the sneaker of the box, like the money shoe. And this is a shoe that I have not seen in person before. It's the Civilist, like the thermal one, where apparently when you put like heat and stuff on this, it actually changes colors. I don't know if I just stick my, it does. This is sick. Look at this. So when you guys check it out on the camera, I'm just putting my hand over there. That is pretty darn dope, dude. Kind of like a little novelty, obviously. I wonder, like, if you're walking outside, if this actually changes colors on its own, especially in Hawaii. You know how hot it is. But look at that. I'm just like a little kid, just putting my fingers everywhere on this to make it change colors. That's pretty sick. Very unique shoe. I remember at one point they were going for like $1,000, which is insane. Looks like the price came down quite a bit on this. New, they're going for $724. Used, okay, I mean, like I said, they're still worth a lot of money, but not as high as we once thought. $525, $600. Ooh, it looks nice with these alternate laces. That's pretty sick, dude. This reminds me of like the old school Nike SBs before they came back into style. Like this would be something that is there, not going for a lot of money, and then eventually they pop off again. So this one is sick, at least $500. Very good considering the price of the box is $1625. 3 shoes left, like I mentioned. We got 2 Yeezys and a surprise shoe. This Yeezy is a 350, size 10.5. Wow, this is actually a really good colorway. I'm pretty sure this is one of the Black Friday pairs, and if that is the case, I remember the Black Friday pairs going for quite a bit. One of those OG Yeezys with the supply through 50 on the side. Very cool. Upper looks good on this. Doesn't look like there's a lot of sock lint on the inside. Bottoms, I mean, the boost could be better, but this isn't super bad. There is a good amount of heel drag back here. Yeah, so this is the copper. This was one of the Black Friday shoes. Size 10.5. Look at that. New price, $850. Crazy. Oh, and then we get into the used prices. $389 is the first one with a box. This one is definitely more beat up than the one that we have. We'll get to this Yeezy next. Another $350 box, size 8.5. Oh, okay, and we got a pair of the blue tints right here. Very cool colorway. I actually bought this one for my wife. I think it's the only Yeezy she still has left in her collection. And this one is a lot cleaner than hers, to be honest. Ours has a lot of discoloration on the midsole now. This one looks clean. Bottoms on there, very clean too. Look at that. That boost has like no dirt or anything on it. No heel drag back here. So brand new 310. Used, oof, look at that big jump down. 175 is the lowest price with box. These are way, oh my gosh. This is disgusting. Look at the bottoms of these things, man. That is, okay, our shoes don't look anything like that. This thing is about to fall apart. Low 200s is the price that we put on this one. Another good shoe, very easy to move. For the last sneaker right here, I'm praying that this is a big one. It's a box that I really like, but we already seen the Civilist and we've seen that copper Yeezy. This could just be a whatever shoe at this point, but we have a pink box series, Nike SB, size 9.5, and so I don't want to ruin it by reading the colorway. Good shoe or average shoe? It's looking pretty average, boys. This is what I meant. Not a Tiffany dunk, nothing too crazy. But check this one out. Yellow, obviously I like that a lot. Yellow laces is sick. And this blue is actually not too bad. It does feel very heavy for whatever reason. Like the leather choice they picked on this is super like sturdy. You can kind of see that, I guess, under the camera too. I would assume this one is really good for skating. Bottoms, it got that gum bottoms, those are sick. I don't think this is gonna go for a lot of money. So they called the Boca Juniors, so I guess they are a name pair. Let's see, draws inspiration from blue and yellow colors of Buenos Aires, famous Boca Junior soccer team. Okay, I see. $450 is the new price. Used, Wow. That's not bad. $275. $275 is a great price, actually. Size 9 is going for $400. 8.5 is going for $570. So it really is like a buyer's market just because there's not too many like people that are looking for those. You can pretty much list it for whatever price. It might be sitting there for a while, but it's not a bad shoe. Truth be told, guys, this is one of the best boxes you will see. At least from my experience, I know that boxes like this are easy money. None of the shoes here are like super obscure. It's not like it's a Jordan 2, a Jordan 20 or something that won't sell. These are all popular models. Yeezys, Dunks. Did we even get a pair of Jordans? We actually did not get a pair of Jordans, which is a first in a mystery box. That's crazy. Again, if you guys are interested in buying any of the shoes that you saw in this box, it will be on untiedhallway.com. Anyway, until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoot!